Hi, let's talk about Provention Bio. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on development and commercialization of therapeutics and solutions to intercept and prevent immune-mediated diseases. So here's the drugs that they have. Currently, they're not selling anything, but there's one of the products is on a phase 3, two products on phase 2A, and one of them is on the phase 1B, and I see here upcoming catalyst. It's priority reviewed, so this is actually pretty far. Currently, there will last news today. Provention Bio announced a posting of briefing documents for FDA advisory committee meeting on teplizumab, and is this product PRV 031, and actually full information should not consider as investment advice. The market cap of the company is 500 million and it's currently even up 26%, but as we see it's highly volatile share price because those who entered, for example, a few months ago in January are currently, even this bikes were 25% up. By today they are down by 50%, and before that they actually been 64%. So actually this is pretty volatile, but those who are long term and investing, for example, 1% from their portfolio, it lowers a lot of risks. So currently the company is unprofitable and not forecasted to become profitable over the next 3 years. Shareholders have been diluted in the past year, and they had actually the legal issue. What is that? Line announced filing a class action against Provention. Yeah, so there's acquired. There's actually defendants that purchase or otherwise acquired securities between after both dates, including. So there have been some of the special calls, product updates, capital raising, and so on that made the stock price, as you can see here, down this moment, this few months, and yeah, that is also always not affecting price very well. Anyway, 1 year return we see here minus 40%. Of course, those numbers not beating the industry, neither the market, but if we see those numbers and if we're sure that it's undervalued, for example, we could see, as we saw here, so the stock were a few weeks ago lowest 0.6 and today's highest point were 11. So X2, those made like double return in a few weeks. That's actually pretty good. And if I see here, for example, this day, yeah, 50% up in 15 days. That is actually pretty good. Valuation side, simple Wall Street, neither the tip rank, or actually the tip rank has the price target. It's currently $18, which mean 84% upside, and yeah, similar numbers have the market watch that has an average of $17.36 current stock price targets. In good scenarios, tip rank shows the 12-month forecast even $27, which is pretty high. Future growth is forecasted very nicely up. Annual earning growth almost 40%, but the actual side we see here, so it's decreasing. The earnings are declining every year since, and earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to growth, and they might become profitable in the end of 2025. And past performance, yeah, as I said, the annual earning growth decreased by almost 60%. So this is not so good for the company, but they're making the research, and they're actually paying a lot for the research, and they have no depth, which is very good. But the money they're pumping in is only from investors putting shares outstanding. Hold the time up, and guys, be careful. The companies that mostly that if they put stocks outside, but there's no growth happening or any potential, the stock price could look very badly. But we see here that they entered the stock back in three years ago. The price were then $4. Actually, yeah, those who entered then doubles the money. And of course, this is not affecting very well, but based on the expansions and research and those phases, so there is need for the money. They're not paying dividends, and ownership breakdown, insider transactions. Yeah, so there's actually individuals that have been buying with not significant of amount of money. Ownership breakdown, mostly general public holding, almost 40%, institutions 33, insiders 13, PE firms 5.7, public companies less than 4, and so the private companies. And top shareholders we see here, BlackRock have been adding this stock in the last reporting holding date 31st of March. Vanguard Group added as well, and yeah, so 31st of March, which were around here. Yeah, I think this is actually having pretty good potential, but it's already a pump. But anyway, this is looking pretty promising. Only one 683 capital management decreased only, and yeah, as you can see, the Finway shows that it's currently downtrend, and yeah, it's pretty highly volatile, so be aware of that you don't have sales and shares outstanding keep increasing. That is purely like speculation, and investing.com selling the stock for long-term investors as a sell. By technical indicators, strong sell. Moving average neutral. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.